What's going on, guys? I don't know if you can hear me. The wind's blowing like 100 miles an hour. So and they said this ain't even bad yet here in Arkansas. Tonight it's supposed to be like legit 100-mile-an-hour winds. Right now it's just 60. And so I got a bunch of sheets of tin that are blowing away out here in the yard, and it's hard to keep it hot in the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover up the windows just in case stuff starts flying tonight with sheets of tin. So let's watch me try to cover up windows and with tin and a blowing wind. I gotta fix this hole around back. Ugh. Dang, this wind. Crazy. It doesn't come a flood around here. But I had this board that was messed up right here. So I'm gonna take this piece of tin and try to cover up that gap in the wall.